Our TV unit just broke from here. Luckily, Kabir caught the TV in time and it didn't break. And so now we have kept the TV on the floor. So now I have to look around for something to replace this with so that we can put the TV back up. 37.5. Let's go. And this is 9 and 1/4. Maybe we can use this IKEA cabin. Short by 1 inch. This is short by around 2.5 inches. So we'll have to use these both, which is why I polished these both, and now they are dry. So let's set it up. Look how the TV unit doesn't fit within the IKEA stand. That's why the plywood was necessary. So I thought this was perfect, but as all men know, the woman knows better. Please go ahead.
No!
I'll change it later on. I think it's too far behind.
No, it's not.